If you have any trouble while installing, please reach out to us for assistance. Download the Lockly Home app on your phone, open the app, sign up or log in, and follow the steps on the screen. Preparation. Remove existing lock set, deadbolt or latch, and use provided template to bore new holes. Prep the door if necessary. Measure and confirm your door thickness is between 1 and 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches or 35 millimeters to 50 millimeters. Measure and confirm the bore hole in the door is 2 and 1/8 inches or 54 millimeters. Measure and confirm that the back set is either 2 and 3/8 of an inch, 60 millimeters, or 2 and 3/4 of an inch, 70 millimeters. Measure and confirm that crossbore in the door edge is 1 inch or 25.4 millimeters. Step 1. Lock cylinder installation. You might receive one of two versions of the product, one with the lock cylinder already installed, and one that needs the lock cylinder installed. Rest assured, both versions are of the same high quality and will not affect performance or usability. If you get the version with the lock cylinder already installed, you can skip this step. If you have the version that needs the lock cylinder installed, please do the following before installing the exterior assembly. Take out the lock cylinder, P1, and screw, P2, from the attachment box. Insert the lock cylinder into the cylinder hole of the exterior assembly. Tighten the cylinder screws clockwise with a screwdriver. Step 2. Deadbolt installation. Extend the smart deadbolt by inserting a flathead screwdriver into the slot and turning it. Note: during the entire lock installation process, the deadbolt must remain extended. The deadbolt comes set to 2 and 3/8 of an inch, 60 millimeters. Adjust to 2 and 3/4 of an inch, 70 millimeters, if needed. To adjust, hold the faceplate and twist the body counterclockwise until it snaps to 2 and 3/4 of an inch, 70 millimeters. Install the smart deadbolt. Ensure the smart deadbolt blade slot aligns center in the door hole. Secure with 2 A1 screws. Step 3. Installing the lock exterior. If your door is between 2 inches and 3 and 1/8 of an inch thick, please use the thick door accessories included. You can watch the installation video by scanning the QR code. If your door is between 3 and 1/8 of an inch and 4 and 3/4 of an inch thick, please contact customer service to buy the thick door accessories. You can watch the installation video by scanning the QR code. Place the assembly and torque blade through the deadbolt slot and guide connection cables under the deadbolt. Ensure the torque blade is vertical, up and down, with the deadbolt extended. Complete mounting by aligning and securing until flush to exterior door surface. Note: do not insert a key. Step 4. Installing the interior mount plate. Guide the connection cables through the notched gasket in the lower corner, then align the mounting plate. Choose screws based on your door's thickness. Ensure the torque blade is centered and that the cables are not pinched or compressed. Lock half of the D screws and do not tighten them all the way. Using the key, check that the deadbolt locks and unlocks smoothly. If the key does not turn the deadbolt, revisit the steps above and ensure the plate is properly aligned with the exterior assembly. When finished, leave the deadbolt extended and remove the key. Step 5. Installing the interior mount plate. Remove the battery cover from interior assembly E before installation. With interior assembly E, connect the ends to their corresponding counterparts. Click the rounded antenna connectors into the built-in clip. Tuck excess cables and connector back into the faceplate and door hole. Tighten screw D. Align the outer thumb turn and torque blade shaft. Make sure both are in the vertical position. Carefully tuck the cables and connector back into the faceplate and door hole under the deadbolt. Be careful not to force or pinch the cables. Place the interior assembly against the mounting plate and secure it with screw F. Step 6. Install battery and perform self-check. Ensure the batteries are full. With door open and deadbolt fully extended, insert the battery. Once the battery is installed, hold the program button for 4 seconds. The lock will automatically start a self-check. Release the program button once self-check starts. This process programs the lock for the right or left swinging doors and verifies correct installation. If the deadbolt isn't extending properly, it might be because it was not installed correctly. Please check the installation steps to make sure everything is done right. The device will exit Bluetooth pairing mode if it remains idle for 10 minutes. To re-enter pairing mode after the self-check, restart the lock or press the program button and select BL on the touch screen. Then add the device using either the Apple Home app or the Lockly Home app. Once self-check is complete, slide and snap the battery cover in place to secure the battery. Step 7. Installing door frame strike plate. Select strike plate O or L according to door frame size. There is also an optional strike reinforcer plate N that can only be used with the L strike plate. If you need to install strike reinforcement N, you may need to increase the depth of the groove to fit into the door frame. Make sure the gap of the door and door frame is less than 5 mm. Secure the strike reinforcement N with 2M screws, and then secure strike plate L with 2A1 screws. This is crucial. If the deadbolt binds or catches, the lock will beep rapidly, indicating it cannot close due to misalignment or excessive rubbing. Refer to the included strike plate installation locator kit for help. Step 8. Installing the door sensor. The wired door sensor is an optional installation accessory, and not installing it will not affect the normal use of the door lock. Make sure you install the door sensor indoors on a clean and dry surface. Keep the door sensor away from direct sunlight, high heat locations, and large metal objects that may interfere with wireless signals. Trim excess part E for doors with 2 3/8 of an inch or 60 mm backset. When you are installing the door sensor, make sure the arrow of the wired sensor AA is placed next to the arrow of the sensor magnet AB as close as possible. The arrows must be aligned and as close as possible, less than 3/4 of an inch. Position the wired sensor to the edge of the door, avoiding the door strike plate. If needed, use the adhesive foam pad to adjust the height of the wired sensor. Peel off the paper layer of the adhesive from the back of the wired sensor AA. Attach and secure with the adhesive. Close the door. Before you peel off the paper layer of the adhesive from the sensor magnet AB, align the arrow with the wired sensor AA. Install AB into door frame.